Everybody, welcome back. Got a teeny tiny unboxing today. This contains some parts from RTG. If you saw my last video on the AP5-P kit that I'd gotten from Apex, you'll notice it was missing some parts. So I ordered some different parts. Some of the parts I was missing actually. So, I ordered that bolt carrier. I got an RCM MP5-K bolt carrier in here, which was $146. I've got a HK semi-auto shelf for the LSE flats. It was $19.95. I've got an MP5-K firing pin spring for $4.95. Reverse stretch recoil rod for $49.95. That was pretty expensive. And then also got an LSE case deflector with the little rivets for $18.95 because I will need those parts for my flat. So without further ado, let's figure out how in the world I'm going to open this up and see what we got. They really tape this thing up. Okay, I see. It's a flat rate box that's got tape all over it. Let's cut this some more. Get this invoice out of the way. Let's check out these parts because these are some crucial components that I'm definitely going to need for that AP5-P build. This was the cheapest I could come up with. I think since I bought this, I actually did find a carrier cheaper somewhere else. However, since I've already bought it, this is the one we're going to be using. This is Rim Country Manufacturing, and it's a pretty nice bolt carrier in my opinion. Just a semi-bolt carrier. Got a pretty nice weld job on it. Of course, you see the RCM. I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's got 2212. I don't know why that's there. But I think that should work just fine for my AP5-P kit. And of course, here's that reverse stretch recoil rod, which was left out of that kit. Something I definitely need. Nothing fancy, just what I needed. Let's put that back in there. And then for all of you flat build enthusiasts, this is what that RCM case deflector looks like with the rivets inside of there, which should just work just fine with my flats. And then of course the all-important semi-shelf for making everything good and legal. And then my firing pin spring. So if you guys got one of those kits and you're in search for parts, you're probably already figured all this out because you guys are probably doing the same thing I'm doing, or if you end up with a kit that doesn't have everything you need, this is a good way to get it. Like I said, I got a few parts more to go to get everything I need to build that AP5. I also need to learn to TIG weld. So that's going to be fun because I've never done that before, but I do fully intend on doing that so that I can build this myself, just because it represents a cool new challenge of something I've never done before. So we're going to see how that goes. It may fail spectacularly, but that's just fine. That's part of learning. But just wanted to share this with you guys today in case you're interested in getting some more parts for an AP5-P, MP5-K, whatever you want to call it, the pistol version of the AP5, the short version. RTG is a good source of the parts, and there's many others out there, but I try to do as much one-stop shopping as I could. So if you guys are so inclined, make sure you go check them out. They are by no means sponsoring this video. It'd be super sweet if they did, but it is what it is. So as always, guys, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. And at some point in time, I will do some builds. I've just got to get to that point. I'm just getting the parts while I can, while they're still available. Because you don't want to be in a scenario where, oh, I want to start to build this and, oh crap, now I can't get any of the parts I need. It's a terrible situation to be in. So I'm a firm believer, get all the parts on the front end, build it as you have time. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, y'all have a great day.